Hey, I'm Purdy, and if you're not manifesting what you want, you're probably doing it wrong. But don't worry, I've got 3 easy manifestation techniques you need to try. They're simple, they're powerful, and trust me, they actually work. And if you stick around till the end, I've got a little bonus that might just change everything. Let's make it happen.
It's Purdy Brock Jenkins. 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 It's Purdy Brock Jenkins.
Jimmy, I've discovered the best manifestation technique in the world. Oh yeah? Spill the beans, Purdy. What's the secret? It's called the wishful thinking plus snacks technique. Step 1, think about what you really want. Really picturize it. But here's the twist. Do it while eating your favorite snack. So I'm visualizing my dream car while munching on chips. Sounds tasty. Exactly. The key is to connect those good vibes with something you love. The universe can't resist a happy snacker. I'm already feeling more abundant. What's next? Step 2, say what you want out loud. But do it like you're placing an order at a drive-thrus. I'll take 1 winning lottery ticket with a side of vacation, please. And surprise that dream job. This is fun. Step 3, forget about it. Just move on. The universe loves surprises, so acts like you don't even cares. Oh, that $1 million? That's no big deal. Oh, that $1 million? Whatevers. That's no big deal. Exactly. And step 4, celebrate like it's already happened. Throw a party in your living room for your future self. Here's to success with the snacks in hand. Cheers to manifesting the easy way. Cheers to snacks and success.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow me and subscribe. I'm Purdy Brock Jenkins. Who am I again? Purdy Brock Jenkins. And don't you forget it! Alright, that's a wrap. But before you slip away, here's the question of the day. What's something you're manifesting right now? And don't tell me it's love. Because with your hand down your pants, that's not love. That just means you're a fan of Hand Solo. So tell me what you're manifesting today. Don't be shy. I like it when you share. Maybe not that kind of sharing. My like button, it prefers other people's hands on it. Same goes for the subscribe button too. They're both a little needy like that. So go ahead, tap it, smack it, maybe even a long, satisfying press. Trust me, it's way more rewarding. And don't forget to subscribe, because once you start, you'll be coming back for more. Catch you next time.